Hey guys, welcome back. So today I got some new straps from VARIO to put on my Fortis. I decided to put on my Fortis because my wife said to me, "Why are you embarrassing me with this orange watch?" So no more embarrassment. Now I have some new straps from VARIO, and these are the new straps they sent me to check out. So this is the first time I have an experience with this one. These are called Cordura single pass. I will link you in the description box so you can check them out. I have black and brown khaki. I have another one, but I'm yet to check these straps out on this. I'm gonna check which one works for this. But straight off the bat, I can tell you, I can see here the quality. I'm always impressed. I don't know why I'm constantly impressed by Vario, because they set up such high standards for me. They basically I'm a big fan of their Zulu nylon strap, ballistic nylon Zulu strap, and check this bad boy out. They ruined every other NATO band for me with this one, and whenever I need a NATO, I'm go for this one. Sturdy, secure. Check out the hardware, stitching, everything, and I love the pattern and everything else about it. But now, when I first got this, I was blown away, and now I have this Cordura nylon straps, which are, I think this is a better upgrade than a NATO, and they are sewn. They have stitches all over the place. Very high quality when you feel it in your wrist, and these are a bit more pricier than this one. This one is a Best Buy. Trust me, guys. If you don't like this one, go and get one of these. I have these. These are fantastic value. I just love this from Vario, and I'm gonna put it on my Fortis. And I got another one. This is one of the new ones. Sorry, I don't know what this one is called, so I should have come better prepared, but I like this one. This should be on every strap out there in 2020. This should be a norm. So Fortis is no longer gonna be orange, some of you mentioned. And what cool thing about Fortis is this: you don't need any spring bars, you just need a regular flat hat, and you're done. Of course, I cannot do this on camera because everything's gonna suck and not work. I'm gonna start to watch, so I'm gonna do it on camera because why not? So this is how you change it before this. This is super cool. Check this out. Here, I'm on purpose not using so much tools because I don't want to. Okay, I need to figure out how this works. I don't need so much tools, guys. This always happens when you're filming. Okay, I'm gonna cut it and figure out how to do this. Okay, all I need was the right tool to push it and it points out. And this is a very cool system for this. And we're free. No longer really advanced, no longer embarrassing my life. I'm gonna put it here. And I'm gonna do the second one. And now we have a free watch. Okay, what I learned in process is that you cannot be put in this like conventional NATOs because of these holes and reinforcements around the holes, which I like. So you need to place it like a normal spring bar before and then place this spring bars. So, but I want to hear your opinion. What do you think about this one? Should I go with this one or the black one? I don't know. Let me think about it. I'm gonna use this one. I like this one better. This is like olive khaki color. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on this one so far. Okay, on the Fortis watch with this, it took a while for me, but it can work. And I think this is much better than the orange one. And again, perfect size for me. Works great. Love the color. I think it looked pretty neat. And now it looks like a proper field watch I got here. You constantly can see various straps on this one on my channel. I even have one on my Piaget, which is check this out. Let me show you guys. You think I forgot my Piaget? Well, Piaget is not to be messed with, but I have it on the VARIO weather band, and it looks fantastic. This is VARIO, genuine Italian leather, and this leather is very soft. There are people online selling these sorts of bands, leather bands for $100+ and I'm talking to you Hidinki and Tion Harris, and this one is fantastic. I love wearing it on my Piaget. It's a very nice, love the color. But now we have a new straps from VARIO, and I think it's absolutely great on this. For this this black one, I'm thinking about putting this on my Submariner. What do you guys think? Can this work? Can this work? I think it can. I think it got legs. But we have another one here. Another one. And this one is, to be honest, I didn't like this one on the photos. But now, when I see it, when I see it, it's fantastic. I don't have a proper watch for this one. I think I need my SKS back, but this one is definitely SKS worthy, and I just want to show you the quality and everything on this one. It's spotless. I'm gonna give you the story. I have a guy who works with weather stuff, and sometimes I will give him, me and my friend are gonna give him some watch bands to make for us, but he never gets it right. He mess up with the simplest things like a stitching. It's not straight, and us watch guys, we love to take care of these things, and this quick release spring bars are absolutely must in 2020. All watch companies should have them, and this could work on the Fortis as well. This is very nice. I think I'm gonna put the black one on Submariner, but not right now because I need to eat. So, are you hungry, guys? I'm very hungry. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This is from VARIO. Check them out. Links will be in the description box. Great quality. The things, do you like them or not? It's up to you, but the great quality, cannot emphasize it enough, for the money you're getting. This one is around, oh, I don't know, check it out in the links, but this one is the Zulu one. This one is like under $20, and over $25 I think they are free shipping. This one's under $20. If you don't like anything you see here, get this one and thank me later when you get it. That's how I like it. That's how much I like it. And of course, leather bands from VARIO. I love this one as well. But for this, the final is not orange anymore, and now we have appropriate band for this. We had some problems putting this screw lugs in, but that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm EDC Connor, and see you on the next one.